There is a massive signal in the Dogecoin chart that is letting us know that Dogecoin is potentially about to have a big reversal and breakout to the upside. In this video, we're going to be talking about that. A congressman bought Dogecoin, Elon Musk tweets, and more. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles. I have many years of investment and trading experience, and every day I make videos about Dogecoin and I cover all of the cryptocurrency news, teaching you all technical analysis so you can make money in cryptocurrency. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these videos. And if you guys love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you guys smash up the like button. Let's go ahead and break the algorithm and let me know in the comments, what do you all think about the price of Dogecoin? It is now potentially being manipulated, kept down while other cryptos are going up. Do you think Dogecoin is being manipulated? And when do you think Dogecoin is going to start blasting off? I personally think in the next couple of weeks, we're going to start seeing some very big moves for Dogecoin and cryptos. Don't forget, I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments, and follow my Instagram and Twitter. Right now, Dogecoin is forming a descending triangle pattern. Generally, what happens is we will most likely see a big breakout after that. This is a bullish pattern despite us trading sideways and heading down. But also, what is most importantly, we are going to get to that pattern later, is we are seeing the cross on the daily chart for the MACD. The MACD is a trend reversal indicator. So whenever you see these lines cross, there is a big trend reversal happening. The last time we had a cross, we had a massive sell-off, and now we're having a bullish cross right here on the daily, and it's going to let us know that there is a potential reversal to the upside about to take place. Additionally, not only is the MACD letting us know that a reversal is about to take place, it is looking very bullish on the MACD, but we are also seeing the RSI. And remember, the higher the time frame, the more accurate the indicator, the more accurate the chart. But we are also seeing a very oversold position in the RSI. The RSI right here lets us know that we are nearing a very oversold position. And generally, when we are at a oversold position, it does not last very long. And whenever we hit these oversold positions, like we see here, we see massive pumps almost every single time. So we've been in a massive oversold position for quite some time, and Dogecoin is most likely going to be seeing some relief here very soon. We are going to get back into the Dogecoin chart, but let's go ahead and cover this very important news about Dogecoin. So I was looking at the Dogecoin rich list, and these are all of the top wallet addresses that hold the most Dogecoin. And the funny thing is, if we take a look at these charts, we are seeing them actually buying Dogecoin. They are buying Dogecoin today. They bought Dogecoin yesterday. They are buying Dogecoin, and a lot, not only a little bit, they're buying lots of Dogecoin. Even in the last couple of days, some people are selling, but there's actually more buying that is going on. So how is the price kept down? So this could potentially be market manipulation. That's what I personally think is happening, that other whales are trying to suppress and keep the price of Dogecoin by selling and selling, because most of all the paper hands are gone out of the market, and the people that are left in Dogecoin are holding with diamond hands. Not only retail investors, but there are institutions, there are people that own billions of dollars worth of Dogecoin. There are $30 billion invested currently in Dogecoin. We also saw this piece of news. A US congressman buys Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Cardano amid the bull market. Listen to this, bull market. Did he say bear market? No, he bought cryptocurrencies recently. And the interesting thing is, he bought Dogecoin, he bought Cardano, he bought Ethereum. These are some of the most bullish cryptocurrencies. Now, why would somebody buy Dogecoin? Do you think he's buying Dogecoin for fun? Do you think he's buying Dogecoin? What do you think he's buying Dogecoin for? He's buying Dogecoin because it is a good investment. It is a good investment that grows in value. Dogecoin is one of the best performing assets this year. We also had Elon Musk delete this tweet just the other day. I showed you all this picture. It says found on the internet. Find as many coins as you can and fast. We have a picture of Warren Buffett. It is a meme, and it's not something Warren Buffett said, because Warren Buffett was always opposed to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Even when Bitcoin was around $600, he was opposed to it. And look, it went from $600 to $65,000 in just a few years later. But the interesting thing is, why would he delete the tweet? Why would he post it and then delete it? Let me know in the comments below what you all think. Personally, I think it is a potential signal to people who have been paying attention to his tweets. It is a potential signal to his followers, to the Dogecoin holders, to cryptocurrency holders, because in the tweet it says find as many coins as you can and fast as you can. Fast. Why would he say denote fast? It is because there's something big potentially about to happen, and he's basically saying maybe you should get in before these things really take off, because we might be announcing that we're going to be accepting Bitcoin and Dogecoin here, and I'm letting you know, this is my personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice. I personally think once Tesla says that they will announce that they're going to accept Bitcoin, primarily Bitcoin, it's going to send Dogecoin up to the moon. It's going to send cryptocurrencies up to the moon, because his tweet the other day when he said that they will accept Bitcoin once they do this, that brought the entire crypto market up for a period of days. A lot of money came into crypto after his tweet. So when they actually do the thing, I think the crypto market is going to be back in the bull run. And he's having that talk on the 21st of July again. He's going to be talking to Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood about Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin event, a massive Bitcoin event, and Elon Musk is going to be speaking on that day. That might be the day, personally. That's what I'm thinking. That Elon Musk or Tesla might come out and say that they are going to accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And I think when they do say that they are going to accept Bitcoin, they're also going to say Dogecoin at the same time. And if you want to get my profitable trade alerts, you want to talk to me on the phone, we can build you a portfolio. I can teach you technical analysis. You can join the 4,000 member Discord, join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video description. And look at this tweet. Elon Musk tweeted this yesterday. We have a Harry Potter tweet, which I love. It is a meme. We have Harry Potter asking, what does this mirror do? I'm sure you all have seen this movie. I love this movie, one of my favorite movies and movie series ever. And it says, it shows us nothing more or less than the deepest and most desire of our hearts. Then we have Harry Potter looking into the mirror, seeing the price go up. And as you notice, the price was just consolidating, kind of just not really doing much, and then a massive blast off, as we can infer with that chart. What does that chart mean to you? I think this is huge. Elon Musk is signaling that Dogecoin is about to take off. Elon Musk is signaling potentially that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are about to blast off, because he knows all of his followers. He knows all people all around the world love cryptocurrencies. They love Dogecoin. They're waiting for cryptos to go up, and we are just sitting. We are seeing Harry Potter just sitting, kind of waiting, and then it takes off. That's what I think is about to happen here very soon in the crypto market. Maybe in the next couple of weeks, the next 3 weeks. It might be a month, it might be a couple of months, but I'm thinking it's going to be very soon. And if we are comparing, a year, couple years, we still have many years, a month, a week, that's really not that much time. So just be patient. Things will recover. They are recovering right now. Things will take off here in the future. I've seen it over and over again. I've seen things when they are really hot, and they cool off for a little bit, and then they get back to hot. That's how markets, that's how commodities work. Nothing can go straight up. Like the housing market is up and up and up right now, but eventually it's going to cool off. It's going to consolidate and then probably go back up again. But cryptocurrencies are unlike the housing market. They will always end up going up. But what do you all think this tweet means? Let's talk about it in the comments. So right now, Dogecoin is forming a descending triangle pattern. And if we look on Google Images, you can even type what this is, and we have an exact picture of what Dogecoin is doing right now. Look at this. The price was basically consolidating and starting to head down in this range and in this pattern. Look what happened once it got to the apex. There's a massive breakout. This pattern is very bullish at times. It's just an indication. It shows us a probability and a possibility of what could potentially happen. So I'm using the 4-hour chart right now, and what we see is this initial flag, and then we draw from the lines of the top of the resistance all the way on the levels of the support, which are generally basically holding a consistent level of support. We are not surpassing that. And Dogecoin right now, as we saw in the video, was forming a double bottom yesterday. It ended up bouncing up, but then got rejected. Look, it's holding in this pattern exactly and precisely. Now we are getting a triple bottom, which is a very strong also reversal indicator that we could potentially be bouncing up here very big in the very near short term. The immediate short term is maybe a week, the next couple of weeks, a matter of days. It's not a very long period of time. So that is the pattern that we are forming. And if we actually look into the chart, we were forming a couple of times ascending triangle patterns. Look at this. We are forming ascending triangle pattern here, another ascending triangle pattern here, and look what happened. We had an ascending triangle or a symmetrical triangle here, and look, we broke out. Once we got to the apex, we ended up breaking out. Then we got into this pattern, and then we ended up breaking out to the downside of this pattern. But as you notice, these patterns were ascending. They were both ascending, and now this pattern is descending, so that the resistance levels, the highs are actually getting lower while we are maintaining a strong level of support. So I want to go ahead and get back to the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator on the higher time frames, like the 4-hour and the daily, they show us a more accurate indication of what indicators do. They give us an indication, a probability of what might actually most likely be happening. Nothing is guaranteed when it comes to charting technical analysis. We can only have an indication, and it's best to use that with fundamental analysis, understanding the news, understanding what it is you're investing in. Putting those two together, fundamental and technical analysis, can help you to become a very good trader and investor. So as we can see, whenever these lines cross, you do see a reversal. When Dogecoin was at the top near 72 cents, we ended up coming down and we crossed around right here. So once Dogecoin got to this level, we saw a massive bearish cross, and what happened? We entered into a bearish market, and then we had another cross. We ended up coming up, and then we had one more cross on the daily. So only a few crosses, and every time we get a bullish cross, we do get a massive pump. The last time we had that cross is when we went down to 23 cents, and it brought us all the way to 46 cents. So we now recently, the last couple of days, are seeing this fulfill. Seeing this fill out, we are getting a very bullish cross right here at the 23-cent level. So most likely what is going to be happening is that we may continue to bounce up and go bullish, especially looking at the RSI. We are seeing that we are in oversold position. Whenever something is oversold, it cannot last there very long, and it gets bought up, we see a strong bounce. And not only all of those indicators, we were looking at that descending triangle pattern. So using a multiplicity of indicators can give us a very strong understanding of the potential direction of a current cryptocurrency or a price. Does this mean and guarantee that Dogecoin is going to be going up? No, it doesn't, but it can give us an indication that there's actually a very high chance of it going up. And not only, even if we threw all of these technical indicators out of the window, if we understand what Dogecoin is, if we understand the crypto market, where it is headed, what the current state of cryptocurrencies are now and where they're headed, then it doesn't even really matter. We understand that cryptos are going up. If you understand fundamentally Ethereum and Bitcoin, their purpose, their usage, if you understand that as well with Dogecoin, you understand that it is going to be going up. We are at the bottom of the market. We entered into it, a correction for a period of time in a bearish market, and now we are bouncing up. We are going up. We are having institutions, we're having people all around the world getting involved in cryptocurrencies in a crazy and fast way like we've never seen before, and this is a very bullish sign. So in my opinion, cryptocurrencies are recovering. They're going to continue to recover, and we should be back in the bull market here very soon, maybe within the next couple of weeks, maybe in a month, maybe 2 months by the most, but we will be soon back into the bullish market. And if you want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my I Trust Capital, which is also my top pinned comment or my video's description. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. Deposit $100, they'll give you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptocurrencies with or send it to your bank account. So that's going to be all for the video. If you guys would do me a favor and hit the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, subscribe if you've not done so already, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Thank you.